Hi everyone, welcome back to my space. Today I'm visiting this beautiful lake in BTM. This lake is home to a variety of migratory birds. It has boating facilities in the lake. It's a peaceful environment for an evening chai or a morning jog. I spotted a couple of pelicans. It's called the spot-billed pelican. It's predominantly found in southern Asian countries, and there were quite a lot of pigeons. Do visit this lake if you want to spend a couple of minutes or an hour away from the city. Thank you for watching.